Hello, I am Tracy, the manager of the Bird Hospital at the Marine Science Center. Today we will be talking about bird migration. When you visit a beach in Volusia County during this time of year, you may see large groups of birds. These birds migrate to us from their nesting areas. Many will stay here through the winter, while others will stop here to rest and then continue on their migrations to areas south of us. One of the larger birds in this video has a black bill. These birds are laughing gulls. Laughing gulls are short, distant migrants. Some birds come to us from states north of us, but many stay within Florida year-round. They nest on islands north of Volusia County. The other larger bird has an orange bill. These birds are royal terns. Royal terns nest in states north of us, such as North Carolina and Virginia. They migrate to Florida and spend their winters here. The smaller birds in this video are Ruddy Turnstones and Sanderlings. Both of these species nest in the North Arctic. They travel an amazing distance to winter on the Florida coast. Some Sanderlings travel over 6,000 miles to get to their wintering grounds. When they get to Florida, they are weak and thin from their travels. They will spend a lot of time resting on the beach. In this video, something startles the birds, causing them to fly. When they return, just a short distance away, they have expelled a lot of energy. When you see these birds resting on the beach, please keep your distance. They need to rest and rebuild their energy to travel back to their nesting areas next spring. Thank you for watching. The next time you are on the beach, enjoy the wonders of bird migration.